We are recording, and here's Tim.
Welcome to Eagle Landing. This is the Eagle. This is our laundry room. We have washer and dryer hookups. Both bedrooms are the exact same size. They both have full bathrooms. This one, unfortunately, has 2 doors, so one comes in the hallway and one that leads to the bedroom. Okay. And we also have a walk-in closet. Pretty fantastical.
Fantastical is the word.
Good day. And here's our living room space. Very spacious, of course. What about that? Unfortunately, none of our apartments come with the plastic cups or lemonade.
Does not come with the portable beach potty.
Every single one of our apartments has a microwave and a fridge and stove and washer and dryer.
We're doing the Susie Homemaker tour.
Yes. And then, go ahead.
I like it.
Very
Oh, and fireplace.
simple. I like it.
Simple. Simple is the word.
And
Bedroom.
Bedroom, and then closet in the corner. Bathroom.
Meh. I like how you like the things that are in the apartment more than you actually like the apartment.
That's true.
I do like that alarm clock though. It's a pretty alarm clock. And connected to a bike trail is good.
Mm-hmm.